Welcome to a journey through innovation and collaboration in the Metaverse, where 12 kids embarked on an initiative aimed at nurturing young minds' creativity and 3D design skills. This endeavor went beyond being just a workshop. It stood as a testament to the Metaverse's potential in education and collaboration. The event was organized by the Goethe Institute and the Social Developers Club, with sponsorship from Meadow. This project brought together young talents from Ukraine, Armenia, Turkmenistan, and Kazakhstan, breaking down geographical barriers within the immersive Meadow platform. These kids weren't merely attendees, they were pioneers in a new era of learning and creation. They contributed 3D assets crafted during the workshop, which were later showcased on Meadow. The success of this project has opened doors to new partnerships and possibilities. Join them on this exciting journey.